A new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning rotisserie restored 1970 Camaro Restomod, built 350, lots of chrome, billet, Heidts front end, or Heidts suspension on the front, ceramic coated Hedman headers, just nicely done. Great attention to detail. You'll find about 75 to 100 pictures on our website, which is www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you like this Camaro, please like the video, share it, subscribe to our channel, help us grow. But this is one heck of a Camaro. Big Demon carburetor on it, polished Edelbrock intake, chrome alternator, power steering, chromed out, just nicely done. Powder coated frame. Just nicely done. Paint is absolutely fantastic on it. LED headlights, blinkers in the headlights. Amazing car. Cowl hood, toy wheels, drilled and slotted disc brakes in the front. Just nicely done. Healthy motor, but very slick paint, straight body, great body lines. Just a nice car. The custom door handles recessed. With a good fit and finish on the car. Paint is extremely nice on this. Great attention to detail. Custom interior. Love it. If you'd like to fly in and check this one out in person, flying to Lambert, St. Louis International, one and the same. Be more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your flight itinerary. Take you to any one of our 3 warehouses full of cars, SUVs, trucks. Put it up on a lift. Make sure it's a good fit for you. We do have financing, so usually it's about 10%. And the rest to work out in payments, great terms and interest rates. $680 miles on this since the restoration was completed. Tilt wheel. Sorry, 939 miles. So, car's been driven, 4-speed automatic. You know, the car's been driven. It's not just a few test miles. So, westportautocenter.com. We're in a small town, the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri, called Fenton. About 25-30 minutes from the international airports, about 25 minutes from downtown. And we have 3 warehouses full of cars, trucks, muscle cars, SUVs. Can't make it yourself, we welcome third-party inspections. We can accommodate that, get the vehicle up on a lift, take it out for test drives, make you comfortable with your purchase. Again, we have incredible financing on these cars, so you do not need all the money to be in the classic cars. Usually it's about 10%, just like anything else in the world, depending on credit. Determines your rates and your terms. Love the cowl hood. Just the mild custom to it. Still retains the 70 look Camaro. www.westportautocenter.com, 314-346-6039.